Turns out my theory about the remote car not providing enough power to the four servos was correct. I still need to get a BEC for these four servos, but the new setup I got functions a lot more better. So of course I got my little controller here and everything else. I got everything wired up. I have this little block here because the way the ESC for the throttle management works is that if I go a little bit too down, the thing will be a pain in the butt to get to go back into forward. So I have this little block so I can never go into reverse. And since I'm going to be at my convention, I don't need to go reverse. But if I want to turn the turrets, give me a second to turn off to get autofocus to work right. I just go right here at the rudder and I have full control over the turrets. And they don't interfere with Kongou, which is good. Now, as you may know, that if I actually do start turning them around, they do jitter every now and then. So they are still getting enough power. You saw these, and of course, as you saw these ones, like this one, for instance, jittering like this. They are getting just enough power to function properly, but they still jitter every now and then. They'll occasionally do this. And the easiest way to fix it is, of course, to get a BEC for them. But at least my theory was proven correct. I still need to get a BEC to power these four servos. But at least I can still fully control them and they don't freaking spaz constantly. And of course, I also have it set up to where if I want to steer the car, I just use the aileron controls. And if I actually go to the actual car itself, you can get a general idea of how everything's set up. I have the receiver there. I have the new servo here. I had to go in there and cut a little bit of the plastic out to get the servo to properly fit in, to get the bottom of the car or the front of the car to properly sit down. I have the ESC right here, and of course I have the battery right there. I'm probably going to put the little BEC combo thingy, or a little BEC right about in this little area, in this free area right here. And I'll most likely run it off the actual battery too, because that's how BECs are supposed to work. But for right now, I need to figure out how to properly attach the turrets to the servos. That way, so when I'm actually driving this around, the turrets don't come flying off due to normal vibrations and whatnot. And one other thing I need to do is this rain needs to go away of the dodo. I can't properly test anything with all this fucking rain going around because I still need to go outside and see if the ESC can actually properly compensate for the fact that it's going to be towing quite a bit of weight. Theoretically, it should still work because I am just using a high grade ESC and it is running two geared motors. So for right now, this video will be going up, at least showing that I actually got somewhere and that my theory was correct and whatnot. In the Outer Worlds game, I'm probably going to drop it for now because it's not my cup of tea. At least it runs on my computer, even though it has those stupid bugs. Jeez, trying to do Bethesda without the stupid $100 pass, but whatever. Like I said, I finally got Kongou's turrets functioning properly, so I'm very happy.